How to add Google Pay to Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to click on Settings in the bottom left corner and then go to the Payments tab right here, which is in the 5th slot. So from within the Payments tab, you will see an option like so, where we can choose a provider. So once we click on choose a provider, then right here, you will see that some of the providers actually offer Google Pay as a payment method. So underneath the name, you will be able to see all of the different payment methods. And as you can see here, for example, Adyen Payments offer EWO, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Now Air Wallet X or Air Wallets also offers Google Pay as a payment method. So you want to choose a payment provider here that actually offers Google payments, and not all will be available in your country. So just go with one that is available in your country. So I'm going to do Air Wallets right here. So if we click on it, then it will give us some more information. Accept card payments from global shoppers through Apple Pay, Google Pay. So we want to click on install here for this provider, and we want to click on install again. It will tell us that it's going to view our personal data, and now we have installed this application. So we will need to finish setting up our account with this provider to start accepting payments. So if we click on manage account here, then it will refer us to the page where we can actually log in into Shopify. So this is going to authenticate our account on this platform, Air Wallets, to our Shopify store. And after we have authenticated it, then we will just click on activate here, and now we will be able to accept Google payments to our Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.